Alright folks, welcome along for today's ride. If you've ever felt nervous getting out on two wheels, you're not alone. Confidence on a motorcycle doesn't come overnight. It's built mile by mile. So as we're cruising along this stretch of road, let's talk about some real world ways to build that confidence while actually enjoying the ride. Right, so starting out, the first thing I always tell new riders is, or if people are returning back to riding, don't rush it. Confidence doesn't come from forcing speed or trying to keep up with faster riders. It comes from feeling in control. So what you do is you start with familiar roads. Even a short loop around your local area, repeated a few times, it works wonders. The more you know the road, the more your brain can relax and focus on your riding skills instead of worrying about what's around the next bend. Now, next thing I would say is body position and relaxation. Confidence also has a lot to do with how you sit on the bike. If your arms are locked tight and you're fighting the handlebars, the bike will feel twitchy and unpredictable. Just loosen your grip. Keep your elbows bent and let the bike move underneath you. A relaxed rider is a confident rider. Try this. Next time you're on a quiet road, check in with your shoulders. If they're tense, give them a shake, breathe, and just let yourself reset. Next up, I would say looking ahead. Another big part of building confidence is where you're looking. If your eyes are locked on the road right in front of your tyre, every little bump feels scary. Instead, lift your vision, look through the corner, look further down the road. Your bike naturally follows your eyes. Suddenly the road feels smoother, more predictable, and your confidence shoots up. It's like magic, but it's just a good technique. Now, also speed and pace. Confidence is not about how fast you can go. In fact, riding slower and smoother is one of the best ways to grow. Stick to a pace where you feel in full control, even if that means letting others pass you. You'll actually build confidence quicker this way because you're riding for yourself, not for anyone else. And remember, it's your ride, it's your journey, it is your pace. Also, handling fear and mistakes. Every rider makes mistakes. Maybe you'll stall at the lights, maybe you go into a corner a little too hot. The key is not letting that shake your confidence. Instead of beating yourself up, treat mistakes as learning points. Take a breath, reset, and just keep going. The best riders aren't the ones who never make mistakes, they're the ones who know how to handle them calmly. I would also say building experience gradually. Think of confidence like stacking bricks. Each ride is another brick on the wall. Short trips build into longer trips. City riding builds into motorway riding. A few solo rides build into group rides. Now, before you know it, that nervous energy you felt at the start is gone, replaced with enjoyment. And that's when riding becomes pure freedom. Now, my final thoughts about the situation is, so if you're still working on your confidence, remember, ride your own ride. Stay relaxed, keep your eyes up, and take it 1 mile at a time. Even single ride adds up, and before long, you'll look back and realise how far you've really come. Now, if you found this ride along helpful, stick around for more tips on building skills on the road, and if you know someone who would need this video to actually, or clip, to boost their confidence in riding, send it to them. Hit that subscribe button or a follow, and drop a comment with what helped you the most in riding, and let's keep growing as riders together. Ride safe, ride smart. This has been Angel Talk, and remember, it's not just about the destination, it is also about the journey. And I'll see you in the next one.